There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are now. There's an answer. If you listen to your soul, and the soul know that to know will melt away. And then the hero comes along with the strength to carry along. And a guess to real the sky, and you know you can survive. So when I feel like hope is gone, look inside your and be strong.